See, constitution, as per the constitution, there is no bar about it. We know about it. The debate is going on since many days about Arvind Kejriwal specifically, and there is no bar on that. Practically running a government from jail is not very much possible. It is impractical. It does not suit the frame of mind. It does not suit the framework of the state machinery, because state machinery is a large machinery. It is not possible for running a government from. You can't even have a board meeting. You can't even have a friends get together there. It's a jail. So that is impractical to do that. So it is the LG and LG's council which will take care of this particular provision, that they have to invoke it or they don't have to invoke it.
But this is a fit case, right? If the chief minister is behind bars, the LG can rightfully claim that there's a breakdown in government functioning and machinery?
As of now, there is no breakdown in Delhi per se in terms of governance. We have to wait for some particular time. Is the chief ministership being passed on to some other MLA? If that is going to happen, or is he going to get a bail after 15 days? That is what's going to happen. We have to wait for some time to actually invoke this particular provision by the LG.
Okay, interesting. So you were saying, once again, as far as the Aam Aadmi Party's position is concerned, and I'm waiting for their representative to join us, but as far as they are concerned, they're not going to have Arvind Kejriwal resign. I think they clarified that today as well. He's not going anywhere. He's going to continue as the chief minister. So that political position is very much clear. But the other thing you talk about is whether he could get bail in another 15 days. So you're saying that the LG also would kind of employ a wait and watch policy and see, okay, he should not be seen as hastening up the process.
I think that is the very much apt option for LG also, because in the political high voltage drama, whatever is going on in Delhi, BJP versus Aam Aadmi Party, I don't think, and the Maharali of the India Alliance, and LG will not take a hasty decision. He will take a calculated step, and he'll discuss with BJP top leaders and then take it up, because it will. Now Sanjay Singh is coming out. Politically, it will not look on BJP if he gets bail after 15 days. Politically, it will not look good on the part of BJP if it turns out to be other way around.
Okay, so let me go to Charu Pragya with that, because this is the question that is surrounding the BJP as well. You keep asking for his resignation. Yes, you have gone to the LG technically via letter. You've gone to the Delhi police as well, but surely you could have impressed on the LG a little bit more if you thought this was a good idea. I think this is all political posturing. Even you know that taking